Recording has been started. Okay. So today's topic is about case studies. Uh, when we started about learning the subject electronic product design, the first session before discussing the syllabus itself, the first session we discuss about lots of various products. Okay. And later on, we went on discussing each and every point from the syllabus, talking about it, giving the examples, giving the insights for each and every point mentioned in the syllabus. And we have undergone through the curriculum. Okay. Um, since last many lectures, you were in the listening mode. I will tell you, you will listen, you will make your own notes and you will do preparations. But from this lecture onward, individual students will be in talking and I will say presentation mode. Now from this lecture onward, I am not going to tell you, I am not going to discuss the things, but rather what we are going to do, we are going to discuss the case studies from your side, not from the my side. Okay. Uh, in simple words, you are going to prepare your case studies for the subject. Okay. How to prepare the case studies, what we need to explain in those case studies, we will discuss. Okay. But each and every individual student is going to prepare one case study for a particular point, maybe a unit number 1, maybe for unit number 2, maybe for unit number 3, and so on. Okay, a case study will be prepared and will be presented by individual student. Okay, I repeat, a case study will be presented by an individual student. Okay? This is what we are going to have in this week. Now question comes in mind ki for what amount of time, how much time. Individual student is going to present his or her case study for not more than 15 minutes. Okay, not more than 15 minutes. You are not going to conduct the lecture, definitely not. But I am targeting this activity from students side because I want to you get engaged into individual topic from our syllabus. Let us say we have an human interface topic. Okay, so what we can propose over there. Okay, so how to do it? Do a kind of survey. What you can present about human interface development. Okay, human interface development कि भाई आपका product पहले we are having some sort of human interfaces कि भाई वहाँ पे कुछ sensors है, you have some output displays, you have some control switches or control boards over there, and later on you face some sort of difficulty and you have improvised your product. Okay, तो human interface के लिए you may think about the packaging and the enclosures कि भाई um, we all know packaging and enclosures are pretty much important from the ergonomics perspective as well as EMI and EMC perspectives. Okay, so packaging के लिए आप क्या क्या case studies ले सकते हो. Okay, how you have improvised your packaging for the aesthetic as well as EMI and EMC perspectives. तो वहाँ पे सर्वे करना है what kind of products you find कि अच्छा ये product पहले ऐसे था and they have improvised in a certain way and they have um, targeted their क्या कहते हैं customers and they have some good advantages from the improvements. If you think about grounding and shielding, another point from our syllabus. So grounding करते समय कौन कौन से पॉइंट्स का ध्यान रखा गया एंड व्हाट एडवांटेजेस वी केम आउट वी ब्रॉट अप। ओके, तो वो एडवांटेजेस क्या क्या मिले हैं वो बता सकते हो। इफ यू आर टारगेटिंग सम सॉर्ट ऑफ एप्लीकेशन इन केस ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट, तो सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट करते समय आपने कौन कौन से चीज़ों का ध्यान रखा, इन what through what questionnaire you went on, okay, which led you to have a good software development. Okay, if you go for debugging and testing, okay, so you can have any kind of hardware development over there. Okay, तो भाई हार्डवेयर डेवलपमेंट जहाँ पे once again lots of softwares and sensors were dealing with, okay, they were interacting together, and somewhere at certain moment of time you are feeling that कि यार ये सही सही output नहीं आ रहा है, सही से reading नहीं आ रहा है, then you went for the calibration of the sensors and different parts. Okay, so you can think about the ADC and DAC उनका calibration, sensor का calibration. Okay, you can think about क्या कहते हैं power, जो है आपका power source है, it must be stable, so you can think that way. Okay, if you are feeling that okay we will have a case study presentation on the integration of the product, कि भाई individual module तो design कर लिए है but let us integrate them, तो integrate करते समय आपने कौन कौन सी चीजों का ध्यान रखा। ओके, जैसे मैं हमेशा एवियोनिक्स का या फिर डैशबोर्ड का एग्जांपल देता हूँ, तो यू कैन हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ केस स्टडी। Okay, you can have a case study for the testing purpose itself. Okay, so you do have to do lots of survey for each and every individual topic or maybe unit wise, and you are going to present your case study. Okay, not for not more than 15 minutes. This is what I feel to make your engagement towards the subject. Okay, and results, what kind of results you are going to present, कि भाई sir, through this case study these were the problems, these problems were addressed in certain manner, and those problems were overcome. Okay, and this was a success. Sometimes you are going to apply solution to the problems, but you may not overcome the problem, but you may end up into more problems. Okay, that happens when you are going to do programming in VHDL. Okay, you will feel that okay semicolon is missing, and as soon as you put a semicolon in the program you will get more errors. So solving a problem necessarily doesn't means that you are removing the problem, but you may end up into more number of problems. So results may be good one or results may be bad one. So accordingly you have to tell, you may not need to justify, but a solution on problem. And what's next? So depending on your case studies, we are going to do your assessment in regard कि भाई वो case study कितना applicable था according to a point, according to a syllabus point you have chosen, then what amount of insights you have put into that case study. Okay, आपको पूरा प्रोसेस डिफाइन नहीं करना है कि भाई यूजर स्पेसिफिकेशन से डायरेक्ट प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च तक नहीं, आपको इतना बड़ा एक्सप्लेन नहीं करना है, छोटा छोटा एक्सप्लेन करना है। ओके, ग्राउंडिंग करते समय इस प्रोडक्ट में क्या क्या प्रिकॉशंस लेनी जरूरी है, शील्डिंग करते समय कौन सी चीजों का ध्यान रखना जरूरी है, ह्यूमन इंटरफेस डिजाइन करते वक्त, जैसे फॉर एन एग्जांपल कि भाई आप मेडिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट डिजाइन कर रहे हो, तो whether that medical instrument is going to be used by the researchers or some clinical practitioner, that is your doctors and lab assistants, तो उनके पर्सपेक्टिव में आपने कौन कौन सी मॉडिफिकेशंस, कौन कौन से फीचर्स रखना जरूरी समझा आपके मेडिकल इक्विपमेंट में। डेफिनेटली यू कैन डू गूगल, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, यू कैन टॉक अबाउट अ सिंगल प्रोडक्ट Yes, that has to be that way. You cannot talk in a vague way. केस स्टडी कर रहे हैं तो एक इंडिविजुअल प्रोडक्ट के लिए आपको बात करना जरूरी है. Okay. So, depending on these topics, we are going to have your presentations. And now, from your side, since Shashi told me that on 17th you have something related to placement activity and Cognizant is having that activity. So, please tell me when you want to have this activity, because this activity needs to be come from your side and not from my side. So, I want your timetable. Okay. Now over to you. We do have 8 candidates: Akshay, Nilanjan, Anuradha, Kunal, Animesh, Saurabh and Shashi. In together, भाई डिस्कशन करना है कि भाई ये एक्टिविटी कब और कैसे परफॉर्म करनी है. अदरवाइज यू विल नॉट गेट इन touch with the subject. I want you to be in engaged. You want to be in uh, engaged with the syllabus. तो बताओ 15 मिनट का प्रेजेंटेशन प्रिपेयर करना है. दैट विल कॉस्ट यू अराउंड 1.5 आवर. 1 से 1.5 घंटा आपको लग सकता है. सो कैसे करेंगे बताओ.
सर कभी भी रख दो 8 बजे के करीब सुबह.
No, we will do that this activity in the lecture timing itself. तो
ओके.
जब भी लेक्चर रहेगा तब ये एक्टिविटी वी विल कंडक्ट. एंड व्हाट आई गेस कि भाई टुमारो का जो लेक्चर है सुबह 9 बजे का, उसमें कौन प्रेजेंटेशन देगा. सिर्फ ओनली 2 कैंडिडेट्स पर लेक्चर. यू कैन रेफर एनीथिंग. आपके स्लाइड में एक स्लाइड मतलब प्रेजेंटेशन में एक स्लाइड रही, 2 स्लाइड्स रहे तो भी बढ़िया है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. बट यू वांट टू टॉक अबाउट 15 मिनट्स अबाउट योर केस स्टडी. And I'm sure that you are going to bring up a very nice and neat, clean case study, which is going to discuss one topic, only one topic of the syllabus. That's it. A product applied to one topic from the syllabus. कि भाई सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट है कि पैचेस वगैरह आते हैं सॉफ्टवेयर में, बराबर. तो वो पैचेस हाउ दोज आर, क्यों डेवलप किया, क्या प्रॉब्लम था एंड हाउ यू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम. ओके. जस्ट सिंपल. कोई फैंसी नहीं करना है, कोई ऐसे मतलब यार कितना बढ़िया लेके जाओ वो भी नहीं करना है. एक सिंपल प्रोडक्ट एसोसिएटेड विद द टॉपिक. डिफाइन योर प्रॉब्लम, डिफाइन द सॉल्यूशन, टेल मी द रिजल्ट. उस सॉल्यूशन ने क्या रिजल्ट दिया, दैट टू एन theoretical point of view. You can take your own project. Okay, relate your project to certain topic of the syllabus and have a discussion, not more than 15 minutes. Okay, not more than 15 minutes के लिए. तो मुझे बताओ कल कौन से 2 स्टूडेंट्स, कौन से 2 स्टूडेंट्स प्रेजेंटेशन देने वाले हैं. अक्षय, will you give presentation on tomorrow? Akshay, Akshay, I am not going to count his attendance. Nilanjan, will you give tomorrow 15 minutes presentation?
No sir, I won't be available for tomorrow. I am quite busy right now. I can do it after 2 or 3 days later. Let
Hmm.
let first Sasi and someone do the first. Then I think I can do. Yes,
Okay,
I
okay,
will do. I will definitely do. I promise you.
okay, 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 great.
But
Anuradha,
not right now.
okay, okay, got it, got it. Not right, really, not right now. Maybe tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow.
Because I
Okay,
can think after day after tomorrow, but not today or not tomorrow.
okay,
Let
okay,
let first to any student do. Okay, then I'll do.
okay, okay, no problem. Anuradha, Will you do it tomorrow?
Sir, no, not tomorrow.
Okay. Kunal? Kunal, are you there? Okay. Animesh? Animesh, can you hear me? Because I can't hear you. Okay. Saurabh? Okay, Animesh, I got you. Huh, okay. Will you do the presentation of 15 minutes tomorrow? देखो भाई आपको बैठ के ही presentation देना है. Nothing different.
Yes, sir, can try, sir.
Okay. Animesh will try. I will consider it as will do.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Saurabh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Saurabh is going to do it tomorrow.
No, no, sir, sir.
Ay!
Can
Okay, okay, but you have to do it, huh? Okay.
sir,
Le-
please, sir. Next time.
Next time, okay, not tomorrow, but you have to do it somewhere, some
Yeah, yeah.
moment of time.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
Sahil, will you do it tomorrow presentation? Only 15 minutes का presentation, not more. साहिल, ये बंदा कब सुनेगा मेरी बात? ओके, शशि,
Yes, sir.
will you do it tomorrow presentation 15 minutes case study?
मेरा इस हफ्ते मुश्किल है सर, इस हफ्ते तो नहीं
फिर कब? डे आफ्टर टुमारो?
सर, ये वीक ही नहीं सर, एग्जाम तो होने तो पहले
कौन सा एग्जाम?
कॉग्निजेंट का है ना।
अच्छा, कॉग्निका.
हाँ।
Okay, okay, okay. So only one student I got, Animesh, who is ready to do the presentation on tomorrow's day. Okay, great. Fine. Okay. Do remember that whatever you are going to do, okay, that may not be a technically sound presentation, that not be may not be the fancy one, that may not be the perfect one, but I want you to think about the products and your subject being applied somewhere. Okay, I want to apply your understanding from the subjects. Since we have completed the theoretical part from the all 6 units, as we were looking at the academic curriculum, we never applied it. Okay, indeed we have discussed lots of conditions, scenarios, applications, products where we can think about those products, those concepts, actually, sorry, those concepts from the syllabus. Those were discrete in nature. कि भाई शील्डिंग का डिस्कशन किया, चलो ठीक है, हमने EMI RFI का डिस्कशन किया. We talk about the military systems, we talk about the tank system, we talk about the aeroplane systems. Okay, somewhere we talk about the VLSI. Okay, so every point was applied in a discrete manner. जैसे point आया उसको apply किया in some certain situation. Okay, but this time I want you to apply those topics. And say that has to be that way, because your electronic product design previously was counting a term work. I am not sure right now whether it is counting a term work or not, but for term work, your assessment has to be done. Okay, some inputs has to be come from your side. Otherwise, I won't be able to do the assessment. Hmm? And that was about the case study. I will stop the sharing now, sharing my screen. Okay, and someone came in. Okay, no one. Okay, fine. Now I want answers of another few questions. Question number 1. have you started writing down assignments?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Second is, are you able to write down assignments from the notes?
Yes, sir.
बिकॉज नोट्स जो दिए हुए हैं आप लिख लोगे, लेकिन मैंने पॉइंट क्या बताया है कि भाई जैसे कि वैसे नहीं लिखना. यू आर नॉट, you have to not copy paste, you need not to copy paste, you have to write down your own understanding from the notes. वहां पे बहुत बड़ा बड़ा लिखा है, बहुत ज्यादा लिखा है, which is not at all necessary. ओके, तो आपको वहां से आपके वर्डिंग्स में कंसाइज मैनर में लिखना है. यू कैन प्रिपेयर योर ओन मैक्रो और माइक्रो नोट्स विच विल बी सेल्फ सफिशिएंट फॉर योर एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. ओके, तो वो जरूरी है. देन हैव यू गॉट notes for all units?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Sahil, did you get notes for all units? Once again, Sahil is not there. Akshay? Akshay is also not there. Kunal? Kunal is not there. Okay. So 18th of October, that is the coming Sunday, is the last date of submitting your assignment. And do remember that I am going to withdraw all the notes after 18th of October. The online notes will not be available after that day, from the Monday, 19th of October. Okay. So before that, make sure that you are completing your all assignments and you are uploading it. Okay. That is of utmost requirement. And yes, I do understand your placement activities are going on. That's why I gave you all notes prior to 2.5 weeks. Okay, तो 2.5 हफ्ते पहले ही मैंने पूरा दे के रखा है, so that you will somewhere you will get and you will manage your time to prepare your own notes.
Hello,
देखिए
sir.
हाँ बोलिए नीलांजन.
Sir, I have completed some assignments, but I could not upload due to some due dates. You have put some due dates. That is why I could not upload some assignments.
Uh, yes, every assignment do have due date, but
Yes, sir.
even if due date is passed, you can
Yes.
definitely upload the document. Only the time where we haven't accepted assignment after due date was your unit test. वहाँ पे मैंने वहाँ पे setting किया था वैसे कि after due date and due time you cannot upload, but for the regular unit assignment you can definitely upload your work. But yes, on my side, I will check it once again whether I have done that
Yes,
setting
sir.
or
I
not.
will try to. Okay.
Yes, 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 for sure. Okay. तो देखिए असाइनमेंट करना मतलब कोई मतलब क्या कहते हैं उसको, बैठ के करना है वैसे बात नहीं है. आई वॉन्ट यू टू हैव योर ओन नोट्स, क्योंकि आपके पास प्रॉबली नहीं है, टेक्स्ट बुक्स नहीं होंगे प्रॉबली, या फिर हो भी सकते हैं. But I want you to get prepared for your examination, may be happening in next month, and you must be prepared. Okay, and this month itself, I will finish up your assignments assessment. Okay, so that आपका term work calculation भी हो जाए easily. Okay, actually that's all from my side. What I discussed, first point, case studies from your side. Only one candidate showed up the interest. I am very sad about it. Animesh, thank you for that. क्या कहते हैं, acceptance. Okay. From tomorrow, uh, after Animesh presentation, I will discuss the case studies. Okay, so that you will get in touch with the syllabus and the subject. Okay, and today, no, tomorrow itself, tomorrow I am going to float one Google form in our lecture. Okay, let me show you that Google form what I have prepared. Let us discuss about the Google form in tomorrow's session, um, where I will have understanding of your your subject engagement. That is not technical or subject related questionnaire, but that will help me to understand your engagement about the subject. That is a general Google form. You can call it as a feedback form. Okay, feedback form from the students for the subject teacher. We will discuss that one. No worries. Do you have any query about engagement and the completion of the syllabus? कि भाई सर बहुत ज़्यादा फास्ट हो गया और बहुत ज़्यादा सुपरफिशियल हो गया, और you can say कि no, it was sufficient up to the sufficient depth whatever we have discussed. On an average we have engaged three or four lectures per unit, probably 3 lectures per unit, because first lecture was about the case studies of the subject, but related to your curriculum and the syllabus, roughly we have engaged 3 lectures per unit. So was that sufficient?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Was that up to enough depth as long as your syllabus is considered? Or, okay, someone want to say?
हाँ सर, सही था पूरा, मतलब आपने पूरा
Okay.
टॉपिक क्लियर कराया एकदम, और डेप में सर जितना डेप्थ चाहिए था उतना डेप्थ तो दिया था आपने पूरा.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Okay. And do you want something extra from my side कि सर ये भी करवा लोगे ना आप तो बढ़िया हो जाएगा? ऐसे कुछ है दिमाग में?
No, sir, no extra. Yes.
No. Okay. So whatever we have considered was to the mark as long as subject is considered. Okay. चलो कोई नहीं फिर. So tomorrow, Animesh, you will have your presentation not more than 15 minutes. I will give my case studies and let us see what happens. I will stop the recording and